So, when was the last time you checked your jack actually still fits your car? Suspension lifts are quite common across most off-road vehicles these days. Standard across Australia is a 2-inch lift. Many often go over this. But what they're often not doing is checking to see if their jack still actually reaches their car when they get in trouble. And often it's not until they get in trouble they realise it doesn't. So this is where Pak Offroad have designed this jack base specifically for forward drivers and overlanders. It's designed to give you the 2 inches that you need to get back up to your car and do it safely. It's designed with these rubber pads underneath. They're designed to adhere to pretty much any surface. It's actually got a rubber pad on top as well, and it's actually been measured and designed to fit pretty much every unit, every jack, whether it's a bottle jack or whether it's a scissor jack across Australia. So it's been tested across pretty much every manufacturer's style of jacks that they have available in their cars as standard. Now, this unit is actually made from a HDPE plastic, actually designed to carry up to 20 tonnes. So you're not going to have any problem with pretty much most vehicles across the range these days, even some of the smaller trucks. Another bonus of this is if you've got a range of fleet vehicles, then this is going to help you meet your AHS requirements simply by placing one in each vehicle. This unit is designed and manufactured in Australia for forward drivers and overlanders around the world. It does come with this nice solid case and sits quite nicely, easy to store in the back of your car for when needed. Now, once you get on the side of the track, whether you're on a little bit of a hill, it's going to give you that grip that you need, and it's going to hold pretty much every jack and help get you back up to where it's needed. So play it safe, guys. Get the jack out of your car, test it to make sure it still reaches, and keep in mind that if you're on a hill or out in the tracks, you might need an extra couple of inches. You might be in sand or anything like that. And regardless, just because it reaches in the driveway doesn't necessarily mean it's going to reach out in the tracks as well. I'll make sure there's a link to the website into the description, and I'll put it across the bottom of the screen as well. Stay safe, guys. Happy forward driving. See you next time.